Good morning, students. In last lecture, we discussed about the different types of reaction. We already discussed about the combination reaction. When two or more elements combine each other, that gives us a two or more product, that is called combination reaction. When two or more reactant combine each other, already told, that give one product, that is called combination reaction. Combination reaction. Yes. Now we discuss about the decomposition reaction. Now we discuss about the decomposition reaction. Yes, decomposition reaction. The word decompose mean break. A chemical reaction in which a single compound break down to give two or more simple substances. Yes, again the chemical reaction in which a single compound break down to give the two or more simple substances, that is called product, are called decomposition reaction. When big reactant molecule break into the smaller one product, that is called decomposition reaction. Decomposition, not combination. When combination combine give the big product, but in big molecule compound break into the smaller one product. Yes. First of all, decomposition are the three types. Decomposition is done by three ways. First one using heat, and the second one is using electricity, yeah, current, and third one by using the light, in the presence of light. So we discuss these one by one. So first of all we discuss about the by using heat. Yes, by using heat. The special name given to you, given to this is thermal decomposition reaction. Thermal decomposition reaction. Thermal mean temperature. See the word. By using temperature, by using increase the temperature, we have to break the compound into product, two product. Yes, first example, any carbonate, calcium carbonate. I already told the journal reaction to you. Metal carbonate, when heated, it gives us a metal oxide plus carbon dioxide. Yes, calcium carbonate, heat. This is the symbol of heat. When you heat it, it gives a calcium oxide plus CO2. Calcium oxide plus CO2. Any another carbonate? Yes. Magnesium carbonate. When you heat, it gives the magnesium oxide plus CO2. Metal carbonate, when you heat, give metal oxide. Always metal carbonate is magnesium carbonate. How you form magnesium carbonate? Mg2 positive, CO3 2 negative, cut. That's why MgCO3. And magnesium oxide you get. How you form magnesium oxide? Like this only. You get the magnesium oxide. Magnesium oxide, very easily. Yes. Any other reaction? See. That is a potassium chlorate salt. Chlorate. Chlorate ion is a C there. Chlorate. CO3 1 negative. This was the chlorate only. Keep in mind. When you heat it, it gives a KCl plus O2. You balance it or see their balance or not. KCl or O2. Yes, when you heat it, it lose the oxygen very easily. Any another example? This was the chlorate ion. Yes, mercuric oxide. Mercuric oxide, yes. That was a mercuric, already told to you. Yes. When you heat it, it gives Hg plus O2. When metal combined with oxide, already told the general reaction, it gives the metal oxide. But when you break the metal oxide, it again gives the metal plus oxygen. Yes, any other example? Lot of examples are there for the decomposition reaction. Yes, now come on by using the electricity. A special, that is the electricity. Electricity or current, and the special name give to that is electrolysis. Actually, two type of cells are there. I already told. Electrochemical cell and second electrolytic cell. In electrochemical cell, chemical energy converted into electrical energy. At home we use the dry cell, that is the same cell in which chemicals are there. Chemical energy converted into electrical energy. Yes, students. In electrolytic cell, a special, yes, by using electrical energy, you have to break the salt into ions and convert chemical energy, electrical energy converted into chemical energy. You have to able to break the chemicals into ions. So these two cells are there. In here electrochemical, two electrodes always use anode and one is a cathode. Yes, anode in the electrochemical cell always a negative, cathode positive. But in case this anode always positive and cathode always a negative. Keep in mind. Anode always oxidation reaction. Keep in mind. Because A and O both are vowel. Cathode C reduction. On cathode always a reduction reaction is there. Keep in mind. Yes. So these are the cell. In electrolysis is the for the electrolytic cell. The electrical energy converted into chemical energy. We are able to use the electricity to break the chemical or to break the chemical. Yes. Yes. Now we see the special name, that is the electrolysis. How we do the electrolysis? For example, water. When water break, it give H2 plus O2. Keep in mind. If you balance it, balance 4, then balance. Yes. Electrolysis in the presence of current. That's a special name. You have one vessel, you have two electrodes here. Here you apply the battery is there, positive, negative. This was the anode and this was the cathode. This is the cathode. Here you take the water molecules, water, and little bit you add H2SO4, sulfuric acid. Little bit you add the sulfuric acid. Yes. When H2 break, reaction, yes. Now I am writing the reaction, how it has happened. When H2O break, you know, always give H positive and OH negative ion. You know, anode is a positive here, cathode is a negative here. OH negative go on this side, H positive go on this side. Positive go on towards the negative and negative goes because of the attraction. Like charges repel each other, opposite charges attract each other. Yes, it gives a OH negative also. Yes, at reaction at cathode. First of all, we see the reaction at a cathode. What happened? At cathode, you know, H positive go reduction reaction. It take electron from the electrode, yes. Because connected with the negative, electron come there. It take electron, reduction, gain of electron. Reduction reaction is the gain of electron. Already told you, yes. H. If 2 hydrogen is there, 2 electron, it become H2 gas. And at anode, yes, OH negative ions. When OH negative anode oxidation reaction, this explanation not in your book. So please explanation, full reaction is not in your syllabus. But if you want to do that, good. To understand this, it's very important. Yes. OH negative. When OH negative, oxidation means lose of electron, loss of electron. So it means it gives a OH when electron. If 2 is there, 2, then 2. If 2 OH, yes, 2OH always give, yes, 2OH always give H2 plus O2, because 2OH, 2H molecule atom and one oxygen water and one form the O2, that is a, and here O2 and H2 reaction form, it means that is called that is called electrolysis. The product form H2 and O2, product form H2 and O2, yes, H2 and O2. This is the electrolysis reaction. Yes, see there. Now we see there electrolysis reaction. Yes, last reaction we will see. Any another example of electrolysis reaction? Yes. Any other example of electrolysis reaction? NaCl. When you put NaCl salt in water, it gives Na plus Cl2. Same like Na positive. Na positive when react with Na positive when react go towards the negative cathode, it gain electron Na, and Cl negative go towards the anode, it becomes Cl2 gas. It becomes Cl2 gas. Yes. Now we see the next one more reaction, that is a third one, in the presence of light. The special name given to this is a photochemical reaction. Photochemical reaction. Photo mean light. Photosynthesis like this. Yes, photochemical. Any silver chloride salt in the presence of light give interest Ag plus Cl2. Silver salt, that is a silver grayish in color, grayish silver in color. Yes, AgCl, you know, white precipitate and silver grayish in color, and these are used as a photography. In old time we use the negative. Now the digital camera is there. First of all we use the film is there. Negative, we have to develop the photo from there using the silver chloride salt. Actually this salt is a very costly. Yes. So this is the, any another example if you want to see the bromide, silver bromide. It break into Ag plus Br2. If you want to balance, then balance here. So this is the photochemical reaction. I already told about to you decomposition always three way. First was the heat, thermal decomposition. Second was the electrolysis by using the current, and the last one is the photochemical reaction. Yes, this is your chapter, and if this is a very easy and very simple reactions are there. First of all, we already do the combination, then decomposition. Thank you.